Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Our word of the day is bathroom, a simple yet essential noun in the English language. A bathroom is a room that typically contains a toilet and a sink, and it's a place we all use daily. Depending on the setting, a bathroom might also include a shower or a bathtub, but the main focus is the toilet and sink. Now, let's explore some synonyms for bathroom. You might hear people say restroom or washroom, especially in more formal or public settings. For example, you might ask, "Excuse me, where is the restroom?" Another synonym is lavatory, which is more common in British English or in formal writing. For instance, the lavatory is at the end of the hall. These terms are often interchangeable, though their use depends on the context. On the flip side, an antonym for bathroom could be kitchen, since these rooms have opposite purposes in a house. For example, the kitchen is where we prepare meals, not where we freshen up. Another antonym might be living room, as this is a space for relaxing and socializing rather than attending to personal hygiene. Let's talk about how bathroom is used in everyday life. You might say, "I'll be right back. I need to use the bathroom." Or, "Could you point me to the nearest bathroom?" It's also common to hear phrases like, "She spent the whole morning cleaning the bathroom," or, "He forgot to turn off the light in the bathroom." Here are a few more examples of bathroom in sentences. The hotel room has a private bathroom, which is really convenient. Please wash your hands in the bathroom before dinner. I bought a new mirror for the bathroom yesterday. That wraps up today's word, bathroom. We've learned what it means, explored synonyms like restroom and lavatory, and even contrasted it with antonyms like kitchen and living room. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Before we go, I'd love to hear your creativity. Can you make a sentence using bathroom? Share it in the comments below, and I can't wait to read them. Until next time, keep exploring words and making them your own.